Hello everyone, today I will be discussing the twin block appliance, one of the most commonly used functional appliances used in orthodontics. The twin block appliance is developed by William Clark and is widely used for the correction of class 2 malnutrition, especially due to the mandibular deficiency. The twin block appliance is a robotic functional appliance consisting of an upper and lower bite blocks. The upper bite block consists of base plate, rectangular glass, that is RM staff, labial block and inclined bite block. Lower appliance consists of base plate, rectangular glass, inclined bite block that occur with the upper block. Indications: it is mainly indicated in skeletal class 2 manipulations due to the mandibular erosion, growing patients, and also in increased overjet and deep bite cases. Coming to contraindications, it is contraindicated in non-growing patients, severe skeletal discrepancies requiring surgery, poor patient's complaints. Mechanism of action: the twin block appliance work by positioning the mandible forward, encouraging the mandibular growth, causing remodeling of the condyle and the glenoid fossa, producing dento-alveolar changes like retroclination of the upper incisors, proclinations of the lower incisors. It also helps in the muscle reprogramming, improving functions and occlusion. Advantages: better patient acceptance due to separate upper and lower plates, allow normal speech and mastication, can be worn full time, faster result compared to the other functional appliances. Disadvantages: require high patient compliance, can also cause unwanted tooth movement, bulky initially. Clinical effect include skeletal effect, which is forwardly mandibular growth, dental effect, which include reduction in the overjet, improving in molar relationship, and soft tissue effect include improved facial profile. In conclusion, the twin block appliance is a highly effective functional appliance for the correction of class 2 malocclusion in growing patients, combining both the skeletal and dental effect for optimal treatment outcome. Thank you.